In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to separate or extract audio from a video in CapCut on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Open up the CapCut app on your iPhone. Then, create a project or open up an existing project. Then your iPhone's camera roll will open. Now select the video from which you want to separate the audio. Now your clips will appear in the editing timeline. After that, tap on the video clip. Next, slide right to left on bottom menu to find the extract audio option. Then tap on it. Now, a new separate green audio track will appear directly below the video clip. Now you can use this audio with any video. Just tap on the plus icon. Select the new clip that you want to attach with the extracted audio. Then tap Add. Now select the muted video clip. Tap Delete. Now play and preview it. And there you have it. So folks, hope you understand how to separate or extract audio from a video in CapCut on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.